Alright then, just taking a quick look at Chainlink on our daily time frame for another daily update as always. As we can see, hitting that trend line again there. Right now, before we begin, as always guys, make sure you get yourself some free deals down below. Money's on screen, go check it out. Description, sign up, money, get money, free money, get it, go get it, do it now, go in the description and get money. So, Chainlink, we're at this trend line. We're at this trend line again. We've had a really good bullish reaction for Chainlink off of this 0.38 Fibonacci level that we've come down and double back tested here, as you can see. Really, really good candles for Chainlink actually. Clearly swiping out some liquidity here. As you can see, we broke above and up and down and up and down and up and down from this daily fair value gap here. We actually inversed it, then re-inversed it, and then re-inversed it again. But anyway, you can see really good bullish reaction. We've come up here and we're currently inside this next daily fair value gap that I've got marked here. Pretty obvious area that you would expect to have a little bit of a resistance. And you can see here as well, if we look across, we have been basically coming up into this trend line, which has multiple taps at this point. If you're just counting closes, you can see we've got a ton of liquidity up here that we can come and target. This would be very, very obvious liquidity in my opinion. We've also got this big daily fair value gap above as well, which is going to be a big resistance. But you can see overall Chainlink trying to reverse here in line with Bitcoin. Very simply, Bitcoin is essentially looking like it wants to bounce. You can see this really, really big bullish reaction out of the weekly. We did close down below a big monthly fair value gap here, which was bearish, but you can see so far the weekly having a good reaction, although we are retesting now into that monthly fair value gap once we get up to around 96k there. 95, 96k. Where are we currently at? 94. Yeah, so once we hit this daily fair value gap here, we'll be at that monthly gap that we've closed below. But you can see how the weekly still holding this weekly gap. Three weeks in a row here and getting good reactions out of it. You can see, in my opinion, this looks like we might be potentially coming up again. Bitcoin's got some pretty obvious liquidity above that it wants to target, in my opinion. We could start reversing back around here. We are making higher highs and higher lows and getting big bullish candles coming in. And as a result, Chainlink following suit, as you would expect. And we're going to wait and see how far this can go for Bitcoin. As always, it always just depends on what Bitcoin does next. But in my opinion, Chainlink here very much just looking like it wants to reverse. We've got huge bullish volume coming in. This is the biggest bullish volume we've seen pretty much since we were back here on the pump for the bull market. So let's see what happens next. As always, I'm confident that something's going to happen. And right now, it's all dependent on Bitcoin as always. And I want you to make sure that you go down below and you sign up and you get some free money whilst you wait, because honestly, who knows what's going to happen. Thanks for watching.